Introduction to Styling in React Native. Welcome, everyone. We're going to look at styling in React Native. Um, it is important to know how to effectively style applications to improve user experience. So there's a difference between the traditional web development where CSS is used. React Native utilizes JavaScript for styling. By utilizing JavaScript, offers integration with the rest of your application logic. Basic styling in React Native. So in React Native, each component can receive a prop name called style. And this is where you define your style rules. This is very similar to inline styles in HTML. However, instead of using CSS syntax, we write styles in JavaScript objects using camel case. So for example, say we want to style a text to be blue and have a font size of 20, we would have a style and have a JavaScript object saying the color is blue, font size is 20. So this syntax is intuitive if you are familiar with JavaScript, and this integrates really well with the app development. Array of styles. Another thing to know is that styling can be extended using arrays. This feature is really useful if you want to combine styles or apply conditional styling. So in React Native, styles in an array are processed from left to right, and the last style object in the array takes precedence. By last style object taking precedence, this allows you to override styles easily. So for example, say we have two different types of text styles. One is base text and another one is bold text. We can combine base text styles with bold text styles, and this can be done by providing an array of styles.base text, styles.bold text, where bold text will override any conflicting styles in base text. This means in this example, bold text only has font weight. If bold text were to have color or font size, whatever the value in bold text will override. Using style sheet for organization. So we looked at using style directly, using the style prop in components, but as your components grow more complex, managing all your styles inline can be cumbersome and inefficient. So React Native provides this style sheet method from React Native library that allows you to define a set of styles in one location using style sheet create. This not only helps in keeping your code clean and organized, but also improves performance by identifying and reducing any redundancies. So if we look at this example, we can see style sheet is imported, stylesheet.create, and then we can just call stylesheet base text and bold text. Component level styling. So this is effective pattern in React Native, which is allowing components to accept their own style props, which can then be used to style subcomponent. This, if you're familiar with CSS, mimics the cascading feature of CSS and provide a powerful way to theme your application dynamically. So for example, in this custom component, we can accept style prop and apply along with the base styles of view component. So we are allowing an extensive customization based on the parent component's passing style. This is just an overview, but React Native also offers options for styling text. You can, in addition to basic color and font size, for those of you who are familiar with CSS, you are probably familiar with text align, text decoration line, line height. For a complete list of text styling properties, I encourage you to refer to like React Native documentation on the text component. Controlling component size. So controlling the size of components is another important aspect of styling in React Native. We're gonna go over this more in a different lecture, but just wanted to give you an overview of how like using layout properties like width, height, margin, padding are used. And these properties can help you to create responsive designs that work across multiple device sizes. Summary. So to summarize, we cover the basics of styling in React Native using JavaScript. So we looked at how to use style props, combine styles with arrays, organize styles with style sheet, and we even cascade styles through components. So as you deal with React Native more, you will find that the React Native way of styling integrates well with application logic. Thank you everyone for listening.